Hey guys, just gonna be a quick little video on some some Hot Wheels I got here at the Yardbirds Mall. So let's get started. First off, there was a place inside that had these $1 bags, and I got this 55 Chevy. Looks really nice. That paint job. And then another booth had Hot Wheels 3 for $1, which is really good. Got the 2009 Ford F-150, 2006 Dodge Viper SRT10, flat black Lamborghini Gallardo. Looks really nice with those laced wheels. I love this 8 crate with the bat on the side. Looks really nice. Got an old car from the 1920s. Looks really nice. Ford Crown Victoria Taxi. And the Mustang Funny Car with opening hood. And the C6 Corvette Grand Sport. Ferrari California with faster than ever wheels. Looks really nice. 53 Chevy. I love the paint job on this. NASCAR number 18. M&M's car. And a fantasy car in purple called the Tantrum. Really like the skull with the flames on the side. And that's what I got at the Yardbirds Mall, and thanks for watching.